Hello there. Now, I'm going to teach you how to fix that display settings on your NVIDIA control panel not working. So for example, if you pay attention on my cursor right now, I'm going to put it on the left side. So let's say this is the only thing you're seeing and the display option is not here. So I have a few steps for you here. First things first, I want you to check if your GPU is properly mounted or properly inserted on your computer or in your PC. How can we do that via software or via the Windows options? Please click on the Windows tab. Now from here, just click on Device Manager. This window will pop out and just check on display adapters right here. If you can see your GPU or graphics card here, that means your GPU is properly mounted. If not, please remove your PC, open it up, and then remove the GPU and put it back up again. Just like using a flash drive, putting it on, and if it's not reading, we're going to pull it out and pull it back in again, okay? So that's step one. Next, we want to check if, for example, after that and this is still not working, the display is still not showing, I want you to go on your NVIDIA GeForce experience to update the drivers. So how can we do that? Pay attention to my cursor right now. I'm going to put it right here on the bottom right. Click on this icon, NVIDIA settings, right click on it, click on NVIDIA GeForce experience, and I'm going to be here on the GeForce software application. From here, I want you to click on drivers and check for updates. And as you can see, I have mine here. I'm ready to be updated right now. So if you still have the same version and you're seeing the same update as I'm seeing, I suggest you click download and install for updates, okay? That being said, I am not gonna download this. This will take time. But if you have this one, it's just gonna be a simple update. Please update this one. That might be the reason why your device settings is not working. Now moving on, this is the last thing I want you to check. And how can we check on that? Please again click your Windows tab, click on System Settings, give it a second here. I'm sorry, I meant Services. System Services right here. Click on it, and then please look for this two specific application. It's namely NVIDIA. First one is going to be NVIDIA Container LS. Next one is NVIDIA Local System. So what are we going to do with this one? First, make sure they are running. And as you can see, they are running. And please make sure the startup type are both automatic. If not, I want you to right click on them, click on Properties, and then just change this one to automatic. Same goes with this local system right here. Please make sure it's automatic, okay? That being said, after finishing all those three tasks, I'm sure this display settings will be back on your end right now. But I'm pretty sure you just need an update on your end. Okay? So that being said, that's how you fix your display settings on your NVIDIA control panel. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.